Hey guys, today we are gonna make Greek spinach with rice and on the top egg dressing. For that we need knorr, 4 eggs, onion and little bit oil, spinach. It depends how many person you are. Right now we are 5, so we just made that much here, and little bit rice on that. Now we go to mix it. Okay, now we start stirring the onion in with the oil and until it gets little bit color. Okay, as you can see, the color of the onion is got little bit nice, and then we have to start adding the spinach. Now we still keep the fire on, highest as possible, but after the spinach are on, we start reducing it. Now we are adding the rest. So for this reason, if you are many people, you need to have the biggest wok as possible, so it can fit all the spinach for 5 person. Now we have the whole spinach in. Start a little bit stirring.
Şimdi senin de birincisi olacağız.
After a while of the spinach in the pot, it start getting as you can see, the water start getting out from the spinach. Now we start putting the rice on the top of it slowly. All the rice. And then start stirring again the rice together with the spinach and onion oil all together. Now we add paprika, little bit paprika. And one big spoon of tomato sauce. And we start stirring again all together. And then we add knorr on the top. And then we wait
Şimdi pişmiş.
for. As you can see, the water that came out from the spinach, it's okay because the rice we put in, it will start sucking it in order the rice to be also ready. Now we add little bit water. Maybe about half glass.
Karıştır.
And then we start stirring. And then we close and we wait to be ready. Then at some point you open on the top and of course mix it a little bit, and once you see the rice is ready, then we have to take it and put it inside the bowl here. Okay, now we put it in the bowl. We start, take it away. And then we lie it a little bit nicely. Now we put the egg on the top of it. Lie it nicely, the egg all the way on the top. Once it's ready, we add a little bit paprika on the top of it. And then we lie the butter on it. Once we finish with the butter, we turn on the oven and we put it in. The oven has to be up, level and down and 180 degrees. And we set it in. And it's ready. We close the door and the oven starts. And it has to stay in the oven about 30 minutes, but you will also see it when it start getting on the top, little bit more cooked. Just important notice, the 30 minutes we just set, it's only and only if you have the oven cold, like it wasn't cooked before, like it's cold inside. If it's already warm, then of course the minutes has to be much less than now. Now our lovely food is ready to be served. And we are ready to eat. Καλή μας όρεξη.